Hi everyone, this is Mohammed from King Wireless and Repair. Welcome to another video. So today's video we are working on PS4. I got three of them. As you can see, we disassemble all of them, and the problem is HDMI port. So all of them is get HDMI port bad. It's easy job, but these are worst one. You're not gonna believe it. I checked it under the microscope, and one of them looks fine to me a little bit, but other two, all points are gone. So we have to make all the points. This video is gonna be a little bit longer because some of them we have to make new points on it, and then we're gonna put the new HDMI port. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy this video. So let's jump into it. So as you can see, I have like three of them. So all of them, the HDMI port is damaged. You can see this one is damaged. This one also damaged. And this third one. Okay, you can see this one is literally came out. So we're gonna start working on this one first, and then we're gonna move to the other ones. So let's start taking out this one. So first thing first, we're gonna put a little bit solder on it to melt it the solder, and then we're gonna put the heat on it and take out the connector. So add some flux. Let's help out to lose the solder. Okay, first thing first. Okay, let's get some low melted solder and then add some on it. So the PS4 and Xbox, PS5, those come with the very hard solder. So that's why it's take a lot, really time to take out from the board. So we have to make sure we put the little bit low melting solder on it. That's gonna help us to take out the HDMI port easily. So a lot of people use the wick right at this point and take out the extra solder. I don't use it here. What I just use the hot air set on the 430 or 440 and put my air pressure on around 85 or 80. That's help us a lot to take out solder very easily. So I always take out the HDMI port, the heat from the backside. As you can see, is get melted really quick and it is very easy to take out. That way the other parts are not damaged. Let's see right here, and this just came off. So right at this point, what I use the wick and take out all the extra solder. So let's add a little bit flux on it, and then I'm gonna take a piece of wick like this. Okay, this piece, and I am gonna take all the extra solder from it. So this way. The front side. Okay. So now let's see the points. Let's check out all the points. As you can see, the points are good. So let's clean up a bit. Add some flux. Make sure every time you work on the board and take out anything or put in anything, clean up the points, make sure use enough flux on it. That way you cannot damage the points. So you can see the points looks good. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do clean up a little bit and then we ready to move forward to the next step, which is we're gonna put the new HDMI port on it. As you can see, the points are good. So we're gonna put a little bit flux on it and put a little bit solder. That way when we're gonna put the HDMI port, you just go in and ready to go. Let's put some solder on it. There you go. Go. This looks good. Clean up one more time. Make sure all the points are separate. Okay. Let's put it together. Okay, here you go. I have the new HDMI port right here in my hand. As you can see under the microscope also. This is the new HDMI port. So right here, this is the HDMI port. It's gonna go right here, and then we're gonna reflow it. Ready to go. So let's put it back together. Let's go under the microscope one more time. So as you can see, the points are connected, and we're gonna just reflow it, and this will be done. So what we're gonna do, put a little bit flux on it, and then so yeah. It's done. Let's go down the microscope and see if all the points are connected, which looks like. Okay, the points looks connected to me. Let's see. As you can see right here. Let's make sure the points are connected. See, all the points get connected. So we're gonna put the solder on the. So we're gonna put the solder on neutral points, which are these, and then we're ready to go. Let's add some flux. So when you use the flux, so the solder work get easier. So the solder melt very easy. I do one more thing. Let me explain you what. So because these points are very hard and sometimes it take a while to take the solder, so what I do, I just put the heat gun, like a little bit of heat on it, and then here you go. This solder goes all the way down and make sure all the points are good. That's the easiest trick I ever used it on my repairs. So as you can see, points are done nicely. Nobody can tell it's been replaced. We're gonna just clean up the area from here. Let me show you under the microscope. Here you go. As you can see, all the points are attached and there's no melting plastic anywhere. Nobody can tell this been replaced. Hopefully you enjoy this video. So please subscribe our channel, and if you want us to repair your devices, please send us your devices through mail-in. So you can just visit our website or just give us a call at our store anytime, 10 to 7. And please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you next video.